In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Amazon account permanently on phone. So once you're in your Amazon app, on the bottom menu, just tap on the profile settings, click on your account. Then once open, you just have to scroll all the way down. And then under data and privacy, just go ahead and tap on close your Amazon account. So it says here that you have to please read this carefully. So it says here that when you permanently close your account, all the products and services access to your account will no longer be available. When you scroll it down, you can see here at the bottom, you can choose your reason for deleting this account. And when you're sure about it, just go and tap that yes, I want to permanently delete my account. And then click on close my account. And that's it. So to permanently delete your Amazon account, you just have to wait the text from Amazon. So once you receive that one, just go ahead and click on the link they will about to give you. So I will show you the text here. So this is the message I received from Amazon. It says here that please confirm that you would like to proceed by clicking this link. And that's it. That's how to delete Amazon account permanently on phone. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.